All right. Hi, everyone. It's Thursday, and we got some throwback oils for you. So today we're going to talk about lemon myrtle, this little guy here, and kumquat. Ooh, I just love saying kumquat. All right. Lemon myrtle, let's dive right into it. So this oil actually was given to members at the 2018 convention kit. It's only available in Australia and New Zealand. However, this essential oil is steam distilled from the leaves of the flowering tree Bacchosa citrodora. It has a long history of uses in health and dietary practices by the local Aborigine and Torres Strait Islander people. I did not know that. So this has been around a long time. It has the same scent as lemon, or same as lemongrass. It contains a high constituent of citrol, a mixture of geraniol and nerol, which I didn't know. So basically, I just use it to diffuse, to uplift the mood, or you can add it into your household cleaner. It's a nice cleanser on your surfaces. So those are a couple of ways to use lemon myrtle. So Chris, tell us a little about kumquat.
I love that word, kumquat. So, kumquat is a native of Asia, but actually they have found that Brazil, with its humidity and mild weather, is one of the greatest places to grow this plant. I say greatest, but it can grow it a lot and very well. So the other thing is, I didn't know that it's only the size of a large olive, so that was kind of interesting to me. Kumquat is another limonene. These citrus oils are all the limonene, so they have that cleansing, purifying, uplifting quality. You can diffuse it alone or with lime, bergamot, or wild orange really well together. So I'm going to be trying that today. You can use it topically, 1 to 2 drops again in your facial cleanser or shampoo, and has that purifying, refreshing scent. So it just gives your shampoo a little bit of a boost and maybe a different twist on the scent. Topically, let's see here. Oh, sorry, internally, excuse me. A few drops in water or in veggie cap, and it also supports the digestive system. So we suggest try a little kumquat in your instead of your regular to-go citrus oils. It's one of those days today. So, but trying these different citrus oils and changing up what you're using is kind of a fun thing to do. So thank you very much. That's kumquat.
I love how we have all these options from doTERRA, because they like to send their members little extra bonus oils. And but I have a bad habit of just sitting on the shelf because I don't really know what to do with them. So this is why we're doing Throwback Thursdays, you guys. All right, that's it for today. We'll see you next week for some more throwback oils. Take care. Have a great week.